Namaste. Wishing a very happy International Yoga Day. The theme for this year's Yoga Day is Yoga for Well-being. We have Ashtanga Yogas, an eightfolded approach for the well-being. These are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. Yama is, we call it as social observance or social ethics. So that gives a path to lead our life in harmony with the universe around us. Niyama is more about the personal ethics or personal observance. So that is going to make our life be in harmony with your own self and be peaceful with your own self. So practicing Yama and Niyama are the first step towards the well-being. Then asanas. Asanas are nothing but the bodily postures. We usually misunderstand yoga is only asana, but asana is the part of the yoga. So when we understand these postures, we start becoming aware of our body. Then comes the pranayama. Pranayama are the breathing techniques. So these are not only mere the breathing techniques, but these are the regulation and the expansion of the breath or the prana, what we consider as the vitality of each and every human being. So when we practice asana and the pranayama, we start becoming more aware of our body and breath. Then we slowly move our awareness towards the mind, so which helps us to practice the pratyahara. Pratyahara is nothing but the withdrawal of the mind from the senses. So we usually overuse our senses, like eating more or indulging more in more of the gadgets. So in pratyahara, we have control over our mind and the senses. So we start taking our mind from these senses and making it to concentrate on one particular point. So what is we called as dharana. So the unfocused or the undisturbed focus of the mind is called as dharana. So when the mind becomes still, this is called as dhyana or the meditation. And when this stillness of mind is there for the longer duration without the disturbance or without emergence of single thought, that is called as samadhi. So Ashtanga Yogas is the holistic approach towards well-being. Happy Yoga Day.